Hello, I'm going to do a quick review of the Dorman stainless steel brake lines you can get on Amazon Prime for, I believe it's $116. It's coming back from Prince of Wales Island and came back to Juneau. My first day back on the job, my brake line blew. It was actually this one right here that blew. And any of you who have been in that situation know it's a pain in the ass to find a single line. In fact, I couldn't find one at all. I could only find a set. You can either bend it yourself or you can get the pre-bent set from Dorman. And I opted to do that because it came with 7 lines, pre-bent, everything I needed. Even came with the part numbers for those lines. And everything fit like a charm. Let's see if we can get under here. Let's see the lines up here. Hardest line was installing the line from this box that goes all the way back to the driver's side rear. Only because you have to fit it between your fuel tank and the frame, the bed. A lot of people take off the bed or drop the tank to do it, but if you got a buddy, you can finagle that one part for about 15-20 minutes, if that, and get her to go. So it came with all the lines for the back end here. Everything fit perfect. I've been running them for about 6 months now with 0 problems. So stainless steel, 116 bucks. Change it once, never have to change it again. Why not, right? So if there's some of you who are on the fence about it, it's my 2 cents. I'd say it's well worth the investment. All right. Look at the lines here. Yep. So until next time, see you later.